I'd like to tell you a little bit about the work that we are doing to ensure that families are still able to have some form of contact with one another and to keep in touch with their loved ones. With the new social distancing measures in place, unfortunately it's not safe to be able to offer direct contact for all families at this time. However, we are still open as a service and we are offering direct contact where it is safe to do so. So today we're helping 6 families keep in contact, and the team are mostly working from home, and they will be able to set up calls for families and link foster care families and mums and dads onto a conference call so they're all able to see each other and make sure that they're okay. So mums and dads had lovely ideas where they're singing to their babies or reading stories to their older children, and it's just it's a comfort and it's reassuring for families.